Hi guys, I'm Celia.
And I'm Fabiana.
And today we're testing Sephora's top 3 rated curling wands. I'm very excited. I've never been able to find a perfect wand for me. How about you?
Yeah, right now I'm just using like an average curling wand that I guess it gives me okay results. I'm not super satisfied with it, but I just use it because I don't know which other one to turn to.
So I have straight hair. This is right out of the shower. It's pretty pin straight. So curling irons are a huge part of my life. I have never honestly been able to find one that I'm obsessed with and that gives me the perfect wave that I want. I really want beachy waves, almost kind of like Fabiana's hair. And Miley Cyrus circa 2011, the beachy waves. That was always my dream.
So I have naturally wavy hair, and I know it's probably like, well, why do you take a curling iron to it? Well, I'll wear my hair, let it dry natural, just let it air dry, and then after a few days, like sleeping on it, working out, the waves just get funky looking, and some parts are straighter than others, so I touch it up with a curling iron as well.
My curls fall out all the time. It happened, like, actually wands work better.
Curling irons scare me because the clamp, I don't know how to properly do that, and also will give me a very different curl. So yeah, I'm a big fan of these wands.
I don't think I would have ever been able to try all of these.
And these are expensive, so I also want to know if price plays a factor in it too. If this is going to give me a better curl / wave, hold it much longer, be easier to use than my cheaper version at home.
If it's worth it,
yeah. This is kind of like the size that I currently use.
Yeah, these ones are tapered.
Yeah.
So that means that your curl is gonna be tapered, and that one is just straight. I'm interested to try the just straight across one since I've tried these before. From tight to textured curls to soft tousled waves that last. I want soft tousled waves that last.
But it's also like, what if there's a learning curve? What if you're someone that doesn't really know how to curl their hair? And then it's like, okay,
then you're getting the tight curls every single time, which happens to me.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
It looks flat.
Maybe that's what helps you achieve those like textured waves.
True. Honestly, to me, this looks very luxurious.
Yeah.
I have heard incredible things about all of T3 in general, especially the curling irons. Everyone I follow on Instagram is sponsored by them or gets products sent to them from T3. And I am influenced by influencers, so it's definitely something that I've been interested in trying. I've just never been able to spend the $160 that this costs.
Right. All right, so we don't have instructions. Not instructions, but like how to
get the certain waves.
Waves.
I think they honestly just assume that it's you just know how, which people like me don't.
Yeah, not everyone does.
It feels very nice. I love how it looks. It's honestly just really pretty.
Wow.
We're gonna use a different curler on each section, and then throughout the day, we're gonna vlog and tell you guys how the curls are holding up and what our coworkers think, which is their favorite curl.
They are very musical, these wands.
Which one is singing? I think it's a GHG.
I think so too. Oh, yes.
It's not going.
It's not? Yeah, it's not.
I turned it on, didn't I? I saw the lights go on.
Okay, let's not touch it. Looks like it's heating up.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to do the T3 on the left side, the GHD on the right side, and then the Amika on the top half. Obviously, Fabiana and I can't use the same curling iron at the same time. So I'm gonna start with my left side and the T3, and she's gonna start with her right side and the GHD. All right.
Whoa, that is a serious wave.
Do you think I held it long enough?
I already forgot the seconds to hold it on each of them.
Okay.
Oh no.
That was like 5 seconds. It's like a little ringlet.
It's weird, it's like making the top part super wavy and the bottom is straight. I'm like not the biggest fan of how mine's coming out.
I don't even know which side you're curling, to be honest.
I know.
Oh, that's kind of pretty, right?
That is pretty.
Whee!
Okay, we're gonna be here all day if you bounce every curl. My hair slides off the barrel really easily, which is difficult.
That's interesting, yeah. Again, we are not hairdressers. We're just two girls trying to get some waves. I feel like it's very much like towards the bottom.
Yeah.
What are your initial thoughts on the T3?
I like the curl better than the GHD. So my hair is definitely not slipping as easily on the T3 as it was on the GHD. These curls are definitely tighter than I would initially want it to be, but I could see running my fingers through it, letting it fall a bit. Cool with it.
Here's my two. Like the hair on this side just looks so much longer. I like these a lot better.
Yeah.
So we each have a different favorite so
I
far.
know.
I like the GHD and you like the T3.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is way more my speed. I can already tell that I love this one. I like this one so much better. My hair isn't slipping. That's definitely something that was happening with the GHD. The T3 really wasn't slipping as much either.
There's gonna be one of those videos, hairdresser reacts to.
These are just like looser curls than the others. I am definitely in favor of the Amika. Also, it's not a tapered barrel, so that could also play a part.
Ooh, that's pretty. Those are really pretty.
Those are. Do you think that's like more of a look that you're
That's
going
like
for?
what I want.
Yeah. Thoughts?
I really like these, I think. This is like what I'm going for, like when I want a curl. So now that we've finished curling all of our sections, we're gonna go throughout our day and vlog what our coworkers think, which is their favorite curl, and we're gonna tell you how they're falling, how they're looking in a few hours from now, you know, just at a normal day wear and see what happens to them, because that's my problem. My curls always fall out and are straight by the end of the day. So it'll be interesting to see if some are straighter than others, if others have fallen more than others. So yeah, I'm very excited to see what happens.
Okay, Rachel.
Yeah.
What do you think about how my hair is looking today?
I actually think it looks beautiful. These curls are like very luscious and beach-like.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks professionally done, in my opinion.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take a little tour, 360 around. So what I like about the back is that these are very beachy waves back here.
Okay.
Over here, they're a little more curled.
Okay, Kyle, what are your thoughts on my curls?
These are beautiful. These are like Victoria's Secret runway realness. Like the hair I want and never have. But there's something going on the back of your head that I have to say does not look good. It's like they're really tightly curled at the bottom.
Yeah.
You see this little guy? Like,
Yeah.
whoop. But it's completely flat, like the portion that's near your neck and the top of your head. So it looks like you only curled the bottom like 6 inches of your hair and the rest is just.
It's been 5 hours and this is the curls that we're working with. And I'm pretty happy with them. What do you think?
Same. I love my hair today. Like, I have gotten so many compliments on it, but I could agree with them because I'm not gonna lie. Like, we look like we just stepped out of the salon.
The Victoria's Secret runway up in
Yes.
here. Most important question, which was your favorite and which do you think you would personally buy?
For me, it's a tie between the Amika and the T3. I really liked both. I think if I was to maybe get more practice with the T3 and really learn that barrel that I'm not so familiar with, I think I can still achieve the look that I'm going for. It might take a little more effort, and that's where I would then go to the Amika, because that, I love that you could get the tapered wand. It's interchangeable. I really love that. I think for the price point that it's like so worth the money. I could see it. It's great quality. You definitely see a difference between a $20 curling wand and $180, a $200 curling wand. But yes, to answer your question, it's a tie for me. I think the T3 and the Amika.
I think that I would go for the Amika, even though GHD is like very closely in second. I think the Amika just really gave me what I wanted exactly, but the GHD was not far behind at all. So it's interesting that we liked two different ones, but had like one similar one. But yeah, I think they were all honestly really amazing.
Yeah.
Like, I don't have major complaints with any of them. I definitely think you can tell that money makes a difference in the curling wand market. My $30 curling wand does not even compare to any of these. Like, I would much rather use these than my $30 curling wand any day. So I think if you're looking for a good curling wand, these are great options.
Get this all over. How do you spray on this side?
Wow, great.
Let me do this.